What I'm going to do in this class is use the lessons of history to apply to your daily life. That's what I love about history. It can really give you perspective, solace, and give you hope. I will use examples from the 4 presidents I know the best: Abraham Lincoln, Teddy Roosevelt, Franklin Roosevelt, and Lyndon Johnson. Each one of these presidents was a leader during a time of great crisis. We can learn from their failures and their ability to acknowledge those failures and learn from their mistakes. I'd love to just transport them into you. Think of what you learn from parents, from people who have experience. You're learning from generations that lived before us. It makes you feel you're part of a continuum. You're not just here alone. So it makes you a deeper person and maybe even gives you that great thing called wisdom. I think about Abraham Lincoln, and he scoured the countryside for books, and he read everything he could lay his hands on. He understood that he was a work in progress. Nobody's going to be perfect. The most important thing for a leader to develop is the ability to grow. All of us in our lives are going to suffer difficult times, and the question is, can you get through it? Can you grow through it? Can you learn from it? I'm Doris Kearns Goodwin, and this is my Masterclass.